Hey y'all, welcome back to Grim Beauty. I know it's been a while. I've had a lot of stuff going on, so sorry about that. And in advance, sorry if you hear background noise. I'm on my patio because it's a nice morning and I just thought I'd do it out here. So I just want to do a quick Ipsy unbagging because I just got this and I always get mine towards like the middle end of the month. It seems like the middle has been more consistent, but this is the bag it came in. It's a cute little spring summer bag. I have so many bags now though that I don't know what to do with them, but I'll probably gift some of them to a friend who doesn't get Ipsy or something. So I kind of do like this one though. This month is, and this is for April, it's Force of Nature. So the first thing that we have is from Nomad Cosmetics, and I really like their eyeshadows. This is a highlighter, and it is called Kiss of Sun Highlighter. If I can get it open. Here we go. So it comes in this guy. It's about that size, hard to say. And it's like a golden. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or not because I have so many golden highlighters that I don't know what to do with them. So I'm not sure if I'll keep this or sell it online or what I'll do. So we'll see. I just messed up the box, so there's that. And the next thing is, it's from GOLDFADENMD. It's called Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. And let me find it in here. It's this one. It's this little guy. And it's a 0.4 ounce, 12 milliliters. It says it retails for $85, the full size. And you basically put it on at night. You apply it at night to a clean face and neck. I'm not sure if you do that after everything else because I have a whole like skincare regimen at night. So I'll have to find out. The next thing I have is from KOKIECOSMETICS. It's Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadow in Polaris. I will keep this because it's really pretty. Look at that. Look how pretty this is. And I'll show you guys. It's like a brownish, tannish, golden. So, see, look how pretty that is. I saw this and I was like really excited because I like to carry these in my purse because it's a quick eyeshadow if I just need a little bit of color on my face. And I think honestly, if you rub this in, it could be used as a highlighter. If you just put a little bit, not a lot. But this says full size retails for $6. So it's not like super expensive or whatever, but that doesn't matter to me. The next thing is sundayriley, and I know it's going to be a little bit more expensive because their stuff tends to run up there. The only thing I have of theirs is stuff that I've gotten in Ipsy bags or like little sets. But this is a sundayriley A+ high dose retinoid serum, and this is a 6.5%. I've been using 0.5 and I know I need to go up, but I wasn't sure if I should go up to 6.5. But I do have a 1.5 in there that I haven't opened yet. I was just trying to use up the rest of my 0.5 that I have. But this retails for $85 for the full size. But you just put it on your skin, you know, at night and follow up with moisturizer. With retinol, I always let it dry, like sink in all the way and dry before I put the moisturizer, because if I do it all over my face and around my mouth, it tends to like dry, you know, the area out. So just a tip in case you're interested. And the last thing is the Glow on 5th Smooth as Silk Hand and Body Scrub. This retails for $30. I have not used this yet. I did open it, but, well, I didn't open it, but I haven't used it yet because I just haven't had time. I just got this yesterday in the mail, and this is the first free time I've had. And if you hear my dog squeaking, that's him playing with his little toy. But yeah, let's see what this stuff looks like. Yeah, it's got the little like scrubby stuff going on there. So yeah, I mean, it feels just like a body scrub basically, but I mean, I appreciate it because my hands get really dry, like that's what stays dry. This retails for $30 full size. And I didn't mention, but the Nomad Cosmetics highlighter, it retails for $27. And let's see, that's the full size version of the palette, I guess. So I guess this is just one color in the palette. So I didn't get Ipsy last month because I was not that excited about what was in the bag. So, and I'm not sure if I'll get it next month. It just depends on if I see the spoilers and they look good. So yeah, I just thought I would get back on here and try to start reporting again. It's just been kind of crazy and hectic this year, and we've had a lot of stuff going on. But I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy out there with COVID going on. And yeah, I'm just really glad to have you guys here. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I have a page on Facebook called Grown Beauty also. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, just leave them down there below. If you need to message me, just send me a private message. Thanks. Have a good day.